Hello everyone, welcome to Meet Me Techie YouTube channel. In case your computer has slowed down and the time it takes to boot up has gone up, okay, don't worry, today's video is about that. Let's watch it. Okay, first take run command and type temp and click OK. Then it may ask some permission. So you can see many files are there. You can delete all the files. It's all temporary files. Okay, now again type cmd and take run command and type %dump %. Click OK, then you will get another set of temporary files. Delete all. Okay, next the third step is common step that you can do it regularly. When you delete your files, if it is not needed in future, you can press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete, or else regularly empty or pressing. Okay, now the fourth step is uninstalling unwanted softwares. Go to Add and Remove Programs. See each application. It's loading now. Okay. Once it is loaded, you can see the application names whether you need or not. So select any application and click on Uninstall. You can modify also. Click on Uninstall to uninstall the application. It will free up some space in C drive and it will be good for running the system faster. Okay, next is optimizing and cleaning up your C drive. This PC, go to C drive and take properties. Then in tools option, you can see the optimize. Make sure that you selected the C drive and start optimization. It may take some time to calculate the space. Parallelly, you can do disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup and click on that. C drive we are going to clean up. Select all the checkboxes. No further happening. It may take some time. Delete all your files. Free up space. see the further functioning area. Okay, now the final step is disabling the startup applications. The startup program that runs automatically after the system has booted up. So it usually run in the background. If too much application enabled, system may slow down and you may take time to start working. So right click on the taskbar, take the task manager, then it will list down all the application which is running in your system. Then there's a startup. You can see all the application which is enabled after the booting up of the program. Okay, then select the application and disable. Follow this procedure for all other applications too.